Unlock the secret to making your video elements magically stick to moving subjects with this CapCut motion tracking tutorial. First, open CapCut on your PC and import the video you want to work with. Drag your chosen video clip from your media library down onto the timeline. With the clip selected on your timeline, look over to the inspector panel. On the right-hand side, you'll see a variety of adjustment options here. Find the tracking tab, and within that, you'll see the motion tracking button. Click on this to activate the motion tracking mode. CapCut will now analyze your video and automatically detect common moving elements. You should see a bounding box appear around a likely candidate to track. If the automatic selection isn't quite right, don't worry. Simply click and drag the bounding box with your mouse to precisely select the object you want your element to follow. Make sure it perfectly surrounds your subject. Once your bounding box is perfectly positioned, click on the Start Tracking button. CapCut will now process the video, analyzing the movement of your chosen object. You'll see the bounding box accurately follow the movement of your subject throughout the clip. This is CapCut's magic at work. Now, let's add something to track. Go up to the Text tab, select a text style, and drag it onto the timeline above your video clip. With your text or any other element like a sticker or overlay selected, look back at the inspector panel. You'll see a new option that says Attach Captions or Auto Captions. Click on the option to attach your element. You'll see a list of detected tracking points from your video. Select the specific tracking point that corresponds to the object you just tracked. And there you have it. Your text or chosen element will now dynamically follow the movement of your subject, adding a professional and engaging touch to your video. Experiment with different elements and watch your creativity soar.